Thank you for purchasing the BC18 bowl cutter. This video has been created to function as a companion to a comprehensive training program on the usage of the BC18 bowl cutter. This video is in no way a substitute for the instruction manual provided with your mixer. If you have misplaced or need additional copies of the instruction manual, you can download them for free on the Univex website, www.univexcorp.com. If you have any additional questions, comments, or concerns, please contact the Univex customer service team at 800-258-6358. And in the unlikely event you ever have any service or warranty issues, you can contact our 24/7 emergency service team at 800-261-9261. Before we begin, I'd like to go over a few important safety reminders. When installing the BC18, choose a location that provides a level, stable working surface with safe operating clearance around the machine. Never put fingers, hands, or foreign objects under the cover while the bowl cutter is operating, or serious injury could result. Shut off the power, unlock and raise the cover to remove the food jam. Only food is to go through the cutting zone. And finally, never attempt to clean or service your bowl cutter without first shutting down the power and unplugging the machine, or shutting off the circuit breaker at the electrical panel. Overview of the BC18 bowl cutter. Your new BC18 bowl cutter is a commercial countertop appliance designed to volume cut a variety of food product as well as power optional Univex power attachments such as the AL-MFC12 meat and food chopper, the VS9 vegetable slicer, and the VS9H shredder and grater food processing attachments. The BC18 uses an 18-inch diameter polished and die-drawn stainless steel bowl. It rotates at 22 RPM when the unit is being used. To install the bowl, place it on the unit and twist until it locks into place. A safety sensor prevents the machine from operating without the bowl in place. Product is chopped by these cutlery-grade twin stainless steel knives that make an astounding 3,768 cuts per minute. To secure the bowl cover, locate the bowl cover latch at the rear of the bowl. The safety latch is to assure the bowl cover is in the full down and locked position before the BC18 will function. Close the bowl cover and rotate the latch clockwise until it stops. If any of the safety features on the BC18 appear to be malfunctioning, stop and call Univex for assistance. The BC18 features momentary contact, start and stop push buttons. These clearly marked buttons have a protective boot to prevent food contamination and have a built-in pilot light for showing when the unit is operating. These switches also provide low voltage protection in the event of power failure. A really nice feature of the BC18 is its integrated PTO hub. With it, you can run any food processing attachment that uses the industry standard number 12 hub. Meat and food chopping, vegetable slicing, grating and shredding are all possible with the optional attachments. The BC18 also features a built-in cutting board. This cutting board is dishwasher safe, removable, and reversible. It's perfect for trimming down product that's just a bit too large. Be sure to thoroughly clean the bowl cutter before using. Detailed instructions on the cleaning procedure will be shown later in this video. Make certain this countertop unit is located in a safe and secure position with easy access to the power supply. It is also desirable to have a prep sink close by for easy cleaning. Bowl cutter operation. One of the main advantages of the bowl cutter versus a traditional food processor is that the bowl cutter allows you to continuously process product without having to keep stopping to empty the bowl. This allows for true volume production. Be sure to clean and prepare product for cutting before starting the bowl cutter, and make sure product is small enough to fit in the opening between the bowl and the cover. Operating the BC18 is quite simple. Turn the unit on and begin by putting the product in the bowl. The bowl rotates at 22 RPM, and each time the bowl does a revolution, the product runs through the twin stainless steel knives. The more rotations, the finer the cut. For a coarse cut, allow the product to pass through the blades only once. For a finer cut, allow product to pass through the blades until the desired cut is obtained. To remove product, use a spatula or another kitchen tool to scoop product out of the bowl. Shut unit off when finished. The BC18 is ideal for dishes such as coleslaw. Just add the cabbage, carrots, and any other ingredients to the bowl, and in seconds, your coleslaw is ready. If you wish one ingredient to have a coarser chop, just add it later in the chopping process. The bowl cutter is especially good at chopping pulled pork and making multiple ingredient products such as chicken salad. Using the PTO hub. A great feature of the BC18 is the integrated, industry-standard number 12 PTO hub. With it, you can use optional accessories such as the AL-MFC12 meat and food chopper, the VS9 grater shredder attachment, or the VS9 vegetable slicer like the one shown here. It uses an adjustable slicing plate to slice vegetables like lettuce, cucumbers, carrots, and celery. To attach the VS9, first make sure the BC18 is off. Remove the PTO cap and loosen the thumb screw on the PTO hub. Ensure the adapter is properly installed on the drive shaft. Insert the attachment with a slight twist until firmly in place and tighten the thumb screw. To insert the knife assembly, first open the front housing by lifting the latch on the right side of the VS9. Insert the knife assembly into the VS9 housing and lift the pin on the back side of the unit to allow the knife assembly to slide firmly into place. Release the pin and close the front housing. Be sure the locking latch lever closes over the front housing pin, and the front housing is locked into the closed position. To slice product, turn the BC18 on. Lift the feed plate handle and drop product into the feed hopper. Be sure to keep your hands clear of the unit. While holding the feed plate handle, gently compress product against the rotating knife insert. Be sure to wash and cut product to the appropriate size before starting the unit. Any last-minute trimming can be done on the built-in cutting board located on the top of the BC18. For more detailed operating instructions and product slicing applications, please reference the VS9 VS9H instruction manual. When finished slicing product, always be sure to shut the unit off. The finished product. You can also shred and grate product using the VS9H or by adding a hub and shaft and appropriate shred plate to your VS9 unit. To insert the hub and shaft, make sure the unit is off, and slide the hub and shaft into the housing and lift the pin on the back side of the unit and slide the hub and shaft firmly into place. Release pin and close the front housing and secure with the locking latch. To shred product, turn the unit on and lift the feed plate handle and drop product into the feed hopper. Press down on the feed plate handle to shred the product. A variety of plates are available to shred a wide range of product, and specialty plates to julienne vegetables and grate product are also available. When finished, push the off button. The finished product. Cleaning the BC18. Before cleaning, make certain your BC18 is not connected to the power source and the switch is in the stop position. Rotate the bowl cover locking knob counterclockwise 90 degrees to the unlocked position. This will allow the bowl cover to be raised to an open position. Remove the cover by carefully lifting it off its mounting shaft. Use caution as the cutting blades are now exposed. Unscrew the knife shaft knob using extreme caution not to touch the edge of the blade. Carefully remove the knife assembly. Remove the comb from the housing and carefully twist the bowl clockwise to an unlocked position and lift off. These items should be hand washed, rinsed, and sanitized. Never put any anodized aluminum parts in the dishwasher, as this will ruin its finish. The base unit should be carefully washed with water and a mild detergent. Dry unit and sanitize. Do not rinse with a hose and never use abrasive pads or cleaners. After the pieces have dried, set the bowl back over the safety sensor. Twist the bowl counterclockwise until it locks back into place. Insert the comb back onto the housing. Carefully reposition the knife assembly into the notch on the shaft and secure with the knife shaft knob. Confirm that the knife is in its proper position by manually turning the shaft. Slide the bowl cover back onto its mounting shaft. Close the cover and rotate the bowl locking knob to the locked position. Confirm the bowl cover cannot be raised. You are now ready to connect your BC18 to the power source and enjoy many years of trouble-free, labor-saving performance. Thank you for watching this training video on the BC18. If you have any questions, or if you are interested in obtaining any of the optional attachments shown in this video, give us a call at 800-258-6358. And once again, thank you for choosing Univex.